Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. This person, deception, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship, okay? This is basically telling me that somebody that you guys were dealing with was hiding how they truly felt about you. They pushed those feelings deep down, and they tried to play it like they didn't care about you. They moved on with someone else, or, you know, whatever your situation is, there was definitely deception. This person deceived you, right? Now, I feel like they've definitely been going through some karma, because let me tell you guys what I have, okay, in my hands here. So, they want you to give the relationship a chance. So, they miss you. They want to come back and work on things with you, right? Because I also do have reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. They're coming back, guys. Sagittarius, you definitely have someone coming back. And see, what's interesting is they're coming back as a new person. I do have new love here. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Now, what also came, I'm trying to figure out which one I want to go with first. When they do come back, look what came out with it. Engagement. Okay? This person definitely wants to commit to you. They see themselves proposing to you. They see it all, right? Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. But then I do have worth waiting for. I know, okay? Hey, listen, Sagittarius, I feel like y'all get this card every time. So Spirit is saying you have to have patience with this person, because they're trying to get out of something. So y'all know I say it all the time. When that card comes out, it's more so saying this person, with what they want to offer you, patience is needed, because they're still working out their karma. At the same time, you don't wait for them. You keep moving. So patience is still needed. It's all about divine timing, okay? All about divine timing. But that is interesting. Deception. Give your relationship a chance. Reconciliation. New love. Engagement. Worth waiting for. So, let's hop in, Sagittarius. Let's see what's going on with you guys. Bottom of the deck, I have the Hermit reverse. So, somebody's isolating themselves right now. Tell me more. Yep, so it's the person that messed up. The person that wants all of this with you, Sagittarius, this person messed up with you because they left you out in the cold. Cross watcher, if you're dealing with a Sagittarius, this is how you're feeling. They left you out in the cold, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. Tell me more. Yep, but right now, they're not putting in the work to win you back right now. Why is the sun here? I do feel like this person wants happiness with you, but they're afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them. Somebody could be dealing with the Taurus. But others of you, remember I told you somebody's trying to get out of a situation. That's why patience is needed. So for some of you guys, your person could have been in another relationship that they're trying to get out of. Somebody could have been in a marriage that they're trying to get out of. That's why patience is needed. Because see, look, this person wants to have a new opportunity with you, Sagittarius. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But honestly, I feel like this is your energy. I feel like you guys are just moving forward. You're staying positive regardless if this person comes back or not. And see, I do feel like things are improving for you, because it's like you guys are focusing on yourself. But at the same time, this individual that messed up, they want to work things out with you. They want things to improve, but they're just not telling you. They're keeping it to themselves. So they're trying to stay positive about winning you back. They praying, okay? And so somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person is going to come back to give you that stable offer that you want. I also do feel like this person is working on their stability. They're working on their finances, because, see, there's something going on with money, and they feel like their finances are not where they would like it to be, but they're also afraid that things may not improve with you because of what they have done, that deception. And see, the way the Ace of Swords just came out, this person wants to communicate with you. They want to tell you what's been going on. They want to let you know. They want to have a new opportunity with you, but at the same time, they're not saying anything. Tell me more. Yeah, they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. But I feel like they're not talking to you, and they're not talking to you, and they're staying in a situation right now where they're trying to keep you away because they're trying to get out of it. This is telling me that somebody's getting ready to be single. So if they're in a relationship, they're getting out of it. They're going to be single. If they're in a marriage, they're trying to go through separation, trying to go through a divorce. They're getting out. And this is, I feel like they don't want to bring any more drama towards you. And this is why you're not really hearing from this person. And see, it's because, yeah, look, Three of Swords reversed. I'm telling you, they're removing themselves from some type of third-party situation that they had you in. And it's like, they know that they hurt you, but right now they just don't have the strength to come towards you to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Tell me more. They're frustrated with themselves. Like, in the past, they were feeling stuck. They were definitely feeling stuck in this situation. This is why they weren't speaking their truth. But see, they were confused in the past as to who to go with, and they made the wrong decision. And see, now they see things clearly, and they're not confused. They don't feel like they lost you. They're hoping that they didn't, at least. But they're coming back. Tell me more. I told you guys, they're trying to clear away obstacles before they come back towards you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person knows that they didn't bring balance in the situation between the two of you in the past. And see, they want to have a relationship with you. Look at that, 11-11. Some of you guys definitely dealing with a soulmate twin flame, but regardless to whoever it is, I feel like this person wants to have a relationship with you. They want to have that commitment with you, but they're trying to figure out how to go about doing that. Look at that, another 11. Look, some of y'all are dealing with a twin, okay? It is what it is. But if it's not a twin flame, it could be a soulmate. But I'm telling you, this person wants to come back and balance things out. Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius, but I feel like you guys are just looking at this person like, I don't even know if I can't even trust you. Why should I give you another chance for you to break my heart again? You know, but oh my gosh. Y'all, this person is coming back to give you an offer. Ace of Cups, it is a secure offer, the offer that you deserve. It's overflowing. Look at that with the Ten of Pentacles. This person is not playing. They're coming back, Sagittarius. They're coming back to give you this offer that you deserve, and they're bringing stability into your life. Look, they want to move forward with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer here, but I feel like they're trying to make a decision because, see, there's somebody in there that's been trying to stop it. There's somebody in there that's after their finances is trying to take, because they know that if they don't know about you, specifically, I feel like they know that their person is getting ready to go towards basically you, or, you know, someone like you. Like, they're leaving them to be with someone else is what I'm trying to say. So they're like, I feel like this spiteful, vengeful energy here where they're going after their money. So this person, that's why this person was trying to make a decision on how to go about getting out of that situation, how to basically approach you, tell you the truth. So I do feel like they did make a decision here. And they're coming out of being frustrated. But you see that? That was 2 9. So that's telling me that this cycle, this karmic cycle that this person was going through is coming to an end. Tell me more. Yep, because they want to have something new with you. Clarify the Empress. They want to have this new beginning with you. But see, they're emotional because they're starting to feel like they may not be able to have it because of what they did. And they're sad. For some of them, I'm telling you, this person, whoever messed up, they're taking a financial hit. Yep. Trying to get out of a legal situation. I'm telling you, somebody's going to court, whether it's for divorce, child support, business. There's something going on, and this person is taking a hit financially. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. Tell me more. But at the end of the day, they're coming to speak their truth to you because they know in the past they were being very immature and childish towards you, Sagittarius. Tell me more. Yep, and they hurt you. They know that you're emotional right now because of what they did. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But see, this person was definitely being sneaky in the past. And it's like they removed themselves from a third-party situation. It definitely was somebody from their past here. And they're regretting their decisions. They're regretting it. And they don't want you to walk away from them. So they were moving slow, waiting on something with money here. That's what the holdup is. But at the same time, they know that they were taking a long time trying to make a move, trying to get out of that situation. But it's like there's no stability with this person. And this is why I feel like they're trying to work really, really hard on getting out of that situation and trying to get their finances together. Some of you guys could have been dealing with an Aries. But they're back and forth. One minute they're using their intuition, the next minute they're not. They're just afraid that they're not going to have this victory with you. They feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. Back and forth. So they want to work things out with you, Sagittarius. They want to come back and turn things around, but they feel like it's not going to happen. So there's some type of shakeup here with the Tower. And this is why they're dragging their feet. See? They're coming. Somebody was dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person's going to come in to give you a small offer. And I feel like they're going to give you a small offer for a few reasons. One, they know you don't trust them. They got to prove themselves. Two, they're still stuck technically in a situation. And they're trying their best to get out of it. So, like, if they're married and they got to go through a divorce, depending on what state they live in, it's a process. So they're going to move out. If they're living with this person, they're going to basically move out, be on their own. But at the end of the day, they can't give you a relationship or give you that solid commitment if they're still married. You get what I'm saying? So for others of you that your person isn't married, there could be like business dealings or some type of contract, or they're going to court for a legal situation. For some of you guys, I'm picking up a lot, somebody could be living with someone and both names are on the lease, and they can't leave this person because they feel like the person's gonna trash the place, and because they don't care about their credit. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot. This person is trying to make sure they can get out of whatever situation is going on their end before they give you that real offer of commitment. And that's why this offer is little. See what I'm saying? They have to basically remove themselves 100% away from this third-party situation before they give you that offer. Tell me more. Back and forth with the Seven of Cups. They don't know what to do. That's what I told you. They're trying to choose the best option. They're reviewing everything. But Spirit is saying they're going to come out of worrying about it, but they know that they stabbed you in the back. They know. So, let's see. But they don't want to argue with you. But they're scared. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. They're definitely scared to come towards you, I feel like, and speak their truth because of the lies, the manipulation, the deceit from the past. Yeah, they didn't balance things out with you at all. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I just definitely feel like they're going through a transformation, but they're afraid that they're not going to be able to be able to start something new with you. This person is watching you guys. They're keeping an eye on you. Because they're going to rush back in. They're wanting to rush back in and look. And they're going to tell you that they want to start over. They want to build something new. So I feel like they're keeping an eye on you to make sure you're not moving forward with someone else. They're definitely keeping an eye on you. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But this person, I feel like they see things clearly now. They know what it is that they want, but they're afraid that you're going to cut them off. See? They're having a hard time speaking their truth to you because they're like, I now know I made the wrong decision. I want to be with Sagittarius, or vice versa, but at the same time I'm having a hard time coming to them speaking the truth because I got all of this other stuff going on. So let's see. Yep, somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I do feel like they know, this is why they're watching you. They know that you're moving on. They see you being happy, and it's like, I have to figure out a way to hurry and make a move, because if not, I'm really gonna lose this person. It's like they don't even want to hear anything that I have to say. So it's like they want to have a happy home with you, but at the same time they really don't feel like it's gonna happen because they were moving slow. See, little to no communication. They're not saying anything.